Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, and you've gathered the files. Now open Google Drive and create a new folder for the items you will lock. Move or upload files into that folder so everything you protect is grouped. Once done, decide whether to rely on Drive's sharing restrictions or to encrypt files yourself before upload. Encrypting gives stronger protection. Make sure you use a descriptive folder name so you don't lock the wrong content. Then select the folder to start changing access settings. With the folder selected, right-click and choose Share, then Manage Access. Change the link exposure from anyone with the link to restricted so only added people can open it. Remove any users who shouldn't have access. Next, for viewer and commenter roles, click the gear icon and disable options to download, print, and copy. This prevents casual exfiltration. If you need stricter control, only add specific accounts with viewer or commenter rights, and avoid giving editor access unless absolutely necessary. To finish, review the folder's permission list and confirm each person has the intended role. Make adjustments and save. If you require stronger protection, encrypt the files locally with a password, or use Google Workspace Information Rights Management features to limit actions. If someone cannot access the folder, first verify they are signed into the correct Google account and that the folder isn't in a shared drive with overriding rules. If problems persist, remove and re-invite the user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.